Hey guys, this is Thunder CPU here. I wanted to show you guys a few things about Windows 7 that are really cool. I just got it yesterday, but I've been working with it and I found a lot of cool things I wanted to show you. First off, you can tell the toolbar is a lot different than Vista's toolbar. You have bigger icons and a lot more features to work with. For instance, when you put your mouse over one of the open icons, it peeks at it until you move your mouse away. Another cool thing about the toolbar is that if you have two of the same programs open, then when you put your mouse over the icon, it shows both windows stacked so that you can put your mouse over one and peek at it, but peek at the other one as well. On the toolbar, there's a really small button way on the right that looks like this. When you move your mouse onto it, it peeks at the desktop, which looks like a window. Like, or say if you have Opera open and you put your mouse over the button, it shows the desktop and it looks like a window. If you have a lot of windows open and you just want to look at the desktop, this is the button for you. Next off, when you open the Start menu, you'll see this. In Vista, you couldn't choose whether you had something on the toolbar. It was all preset. To change this, you right-click on the Windows icon and click Properties. To change what buttons you have on your Start menu, you click Customize. Now you have all these buttons that you can display as a link or just leave it invisible so that it doesn't take up space. You have videos, system administrative tools, recorded TV, pictures, all that good stuff. One thing I noticed while I installed Windows 7 was the sticky notes button at the Start menu. This was very useful if you're a busy person and need to keep up with all your things. Just click on sticky notes and it'll bring up a little sticky note, and if you need to type, you just type and then you can put it wherever. But if you want to delete it, just click on the X. Have you noticed yet that Windows 7 doesn't have a movie maker or a photo gallery or a blog writer? Well, now you can change that with Windows Live Essentials. To access this, click on the Start menu, go to Getting Started, and click on Windows Live Essentials. It should bring up a window that shows all these Windows Live things that Windows 7 did not come with yet. Another thing that Windows 7 improved was the calculator. Now you can use a programmer and statistics. So yeah, you can use a programmer, you can show statistics, and you can also convert units and dates. Calculate the difference between two dates. Did you ever notice how every program you opened in Vista asked you if you wanted to allow it or not allow it? Now you can change that. Bring up the control panel. Now click on System and Security, and then change User Account Control Settings, which is also known as UAC. It should bring up a window that asks you how often you want to allow or not allow items. So you can always notify for programs or never. I'm kind of in between because some programs I don't trust. Okay, so in Vista on the Start menu, there was only a shutdown button like this, and then an arrow leading to other options of what you want to do with your computer. But now you can customize this. Just click on the Start menu and hover over your mouse on the shutdown button. Right click it and click Properties. Now go to the Power button and then you can choose whatever thing you want to be there. Oh, it didn't work. Yeah, the Power button is Restart. You apply, and then, well, it doesn't work right now because I have to shut it down for updates, but if you do that, then it'll say restart right here. When you have a program open that you frequently use, you can pin it to the toolbar for quick use. I'll show you an example. Open Opera or whatever internet browser you have you don't have to do this, but I'm just showing you. Open a program, and mine's already pinned, but if you have I'll just use this as a example. You can pin it to the taskbar, and now when you close it, it's still there, but you can reopen it. But I don't need this for pinning, so if you want to unpin it, just click unpin. So now, the thing I like most about Windows 7 is that you have a minimized window that you can quickly maximize it without pressing the small button at the top. Like for, say, if this is minimized and you want to maximize it, just drag it to the top and it'll maximize it for you. But if you want to minimize it, you can just drag it down and it'll automatically minimize it. You can also make a window click to the side of the screen. When it's minimized, you can just drag it to the left or the right, and then it'll automatically click to the left side of the screen. Or for a shortcut, you can just click, I think it's Alt, nope. Oh, it was Windows, the Windows button, and then the left arrow. Or the right arrow, whatever you want. Thanks for watching, guys. More videos coming soon. Please subscribe. Thanks.